Okay, we start now now. Good evening, Form 4. Okay, Form 4 student. This is Form 4 Wednesday group. Okay, nice to meet everyone here again now. Okay, while I'm talking here, some of you still coming in now. So never mind now. Wait for them to come in first. Okay. Okay. I understand that your last lesson paper, this chapter 6, last lesson. Question 22, 23, 25 not finished yet. No. So I would like to finish up the few questions first. Okay. Then only I start do revision. Okay. I will take about half an hour plus a little bit now to finish up the three questions. Okay. So I share with you the question now. Okay. I hope you all can see that. Okay. So if you cannot see, you let me know. Can you see the screen or not? Hiding, can see the screen or not?
Can.
Can. Okay. Can you hear? Okay, wait now. I on the video, see whether you all can hear or not. Amanda, Justin, can you see the paper?
Can.
Can. Okay. Question 22. Okay, please take out your paper if you do. Can you all hear the video?
Yes,
can hear the video or not?
Yes.
Can. Okay lah. So like this lah. Because I want to do faster, that's why I use a video faster now. Okay, start from question 22. Okay, please refer to your paper, question 22. If you don't have a paper with you, doesn't matter. You just listen, you just copy down the answer. Okay, you don't have a paper, doesn't matter. I will send to you, you can print out yourself. Just one set only. Okay, so start with question 22. Okay, you all listen carefully. I will be here one. Okay, so I will stop the video, then I will ask you question. Okay, please listen properly. You have a paper with you now. This last set of paper not finished yet now. Okay, question 22. Look at the paper, everyone. Figure show the position of an object and the image formed by plane mirror. Okay, so of course, first thing you draw the diagram now. Okay. The method of drawing the diagram, you should know. Okay, so this is an object. So actually, you can use an easier method to do. Use a ruler, draw this line and this line. Then from here, connect to object, and put up the arrow, this all. Okay, to get a more accurate drawing, you do like this. Use a ruler. From here, you draw this straight line. Straight, but here make sure it's dot. And here another line go into the eyes. So you draw 1, 2, these two lines first. And then only you connect one here, connect another one here. This is a normal line. So once you completed already, so it's very clear. You can see from here. The light from the object hit the mirror and then reflected. The light from the object hit the mirror, get reflected. But your eyes see in a straight line. So your eyes always see the object here. So this image. Okay. So please complete your diagram now. You can use a shortcut method as I told you just now like that. You draw these two straight lines first. Okay. And then only draw these two. Okay. Like that, your diagram will be more accurate. Okay. Draw the diagram first now. Okay. Please follow this one. Follow the diagram you draw now. Okay. The diagram shows how the mirror form the image. The object is here, then the image is here. So this is how the mirror form the image. By reflecting the light. You see, reflect the light, then the image form behind here. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, finish the diagram, hurry up. Okay, finish or not? Wu Chi Chong, finish diagram or not? Wu?
Yeah, teacher, I just finished it.
Finish already, ah?
Yep.
Chai Ling, finish or not? Chai Ling?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, Yu Tong, finish?
Yes.
Okay, come, we move on, ah? Okay, come. Okay, come. Question 24. Question 24. Okay, let's look at a table first. Okay. Object placed at a distant U from the concave mirror. This is concave mirror. Table show the characteristics. Okay. One part of the thing given condition, same size. You see, when an object distant 30 cm, you get same size image. Few weeks ago, you already know lah. When it is same size, mean immediately you must write U got 2F. Okay, every time you see same size, straight away you jump to this conclusion. Object distance U equal to F. Object distance now 30 cm. So you can find the focal length now. So now the focal length is 15. Then you can see here. Focal length is 15. Here U is 10. 10 smaller than 15. So it's U smaller than F here. When U smaller than F, you know the answer here, right? You can refer back to your table, you check. Here, use 20. 20 bigger than the F, but smaller than 2F. Correct not? 20 bigger than the 15 here, but smaller than 2F. So between this one, 1F, 2F, then you write the answer here. And the last one, 40. 40 is object distance bigger than 2F. F is 15, 2F is only 30. This is 40 40 is bigger than 2F lah. So when U bigger than 2F, what are the answer? Okay, you can write. Okay, please write it now. Everyone, refer to your table, go and check concave mirror, like you have a conclusion, all the paper in all the characteristic inside the table, right? Refer to the table, write all the answer here. Now you can refer, it's in the exam, you cannot refer already. You have to refer to your brain here. Okay, fill up the table, everyone. Fill up the table first. Okay, please write down. You refer to the previous pages so you can see the note. You have all these answer, right? For concave lens, U smaller than F, one answer. U between 1F, 2F, one answer. Okay, please fill it up, okay? Yeah. Later on, I call your name, so you give me answer, please fill out your table. Okay, come. I think you all finished already, right? Okay, when I call your name, you tell me answer, nah. Okay, come. Let's listen. Juling, can you come up, please?
Yes, sir.
Juling, first one, what answer?
Virtual upright magnified.
Yes, virtual upright magnified. Virtual upright magnified. The rest, please check your answer. Chloe Chu, please come up.
Yeah, sir.
Sir, you answer the second one. Second one, what answer?
Real inverted magnified.
Yes, real inverted magnified. So the characteristics are real inverted magnified. Okay, right now, And the last one, U bigger than 2F. Okay, U bigger than 2F. So let's hear from Chong Chao Yi. Chong Chao Yi, when U bigger than 2F, what answer? Chao Yi? Chong Chao Yi. Chong Chao Yi, you cannot talk, you type the answer. U bigger than 2F. Chao Yi, what answer? Okay, come, let's see what he types. Real, inverted, diminished. Yes, very good, correct. So the answer is real, inverted, and diminished. Okay, all right. So I think we have finished this one. Okay, so we move on now. Mirror reflect the light. Okay, through reflecting the light, image are through what phenomenon? One answer. How mirror form the image? 变亮. Can you answer?
Reflection.
Yes, reflection. Yes, very good. Can you? Reflection. Mirror reflect the light. Okay, through reflecting the light, then you can form the image, right? Mirror. Mirror is reflection, but lens is refraction. F-R-A-C. So remember that. Mirror reflect, but lens the lens prism like that refract the light. Okay, next, this one we already calculated. We already calculated the focal length 15 cm. So it's here. So just put the answer here lah. Focal length 15 cm. Okay. Next, give the reason for your answer. How to give the reasoning? Give the reason for this answer. Why the answer is 15? What reason you want to give here? What reason? Nicole. Okay, Nicole. Nicole, can you tell me why? What reason you can say F equal to 15 there? What reason, Nicole? Nicole. The answer is here, actually here. Here. Shani, what is the reason? Shani? Why you can say the answer focal length 15 there?
Because
why?
2F is 30 then 1F 15.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay. Now like that long. Because same size as an object, then when image same size as an object, right? Then you can say U equal to 2F. When U equal to 2F, then your F is 15 lah. Okay, that's the reason because the image is same size as the object. Then you can say U equal to F. Okay. Yeah, that's the reason now. Okay. Okay, next one, the table completed already. And the final one asks you to draw object placed at a distance 50 cm from concave mirror M. M is which one? M is with the focal length 15 cm one, correct not? 15 cm. Focal length 15. Now, object placed at 50 cm. So how you draw it? M focal length 15. Now the object 50 cm. So you do like this now. Okay, very, very fast. Okay. So you see here, you draw a line. So this is 1F, 15. 2F is 30, right? And your 50 cm is here. The object is very far. Okay, your concave mirror is here. Concave mirror. 1F 15, 2F is 30. Now object 50 cm. So you put outside here. So you draw two lines. One horizontal reflect through focal point. Another one, the light go through the focal point, get reflected horizontally, intersecting point here. So this is an image you get, okay? So this is a diagram, okay? Understand it now? Understand the diagram? Okay, draw the diagram, wait. One F is 15, 2F 30. So the object is 50 cm. So the object is far, no? Far from here, okay? So you draw two lines. First one, horizontal, reflect through the focal point. The second one is light go through focal point, reflected horizontally. So intersecting point is here. So this is an image lah. Okay, so the image is formed in front here. Next one, they will ask, what are the characteristics of this image? Okay, you finish the diagram first, then you go and write the characteristics of the image. Nitilan, have you finished? Nitilan. Nitilan, you finish the diagram. Arti,
Yes.
finish, Arti, finish or not?
Yes.
Finish, okay. Finish. So next one is you write the characteristics of this image. You look at this image. What are the characteristics? Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay, see the characteristics. All right, diminish. So the answer is real, inverted, diminish. Okay, so the answer here. Inverted, diminish, and real. Yeah. And last part of the question. What is the characteristics of image if the concave mirror replaced by convex? You should know the answer already. Told you many times. Convex mirror. If convex mirror, what should be the characteristics? Convex mirror always produce the same characteristics, same one. So what are the characteristics if you change to convex mirror? One answer. The convex change to convex. So what are the characteristics? Can someone answer? Okay, let me call this Angel. Angel, can you come out, please? Angel. Angel. If convex, what are the answer?
Virtual upright diminish.
Virtual upright and
diminish.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay, thank you. Virtual upright diminish. Okay, if convex, so if convex, the answer is virtual upright diminish. Okay. Okay, after this, everybody get ready with a piece of foolscap paper to answer one long essay question. You all must learn how to answer essay question, Okay. Can you take out one piece of foolscap paper, everybody? You need a foolscap paper. Don't jot down the answer on this piece of paper. Not enough one. You have to learn how to write on. Okay. Please take out foolscap paper for last long essay question. You have to answer on foolscap paper. Go and get ready your foolscap paper now, everyone. Okay. Long question cannot write on this paper one. Have to write on foolscap paper. Okay, come on, go get ready. Foolscap paper. This one is essay question. Okay. Yeah. Ready or not? The last question. On foolscap paper later I might ask, call your name, I ask you to on your camera, show me your paper. And then only you know. Better get ready with your paper. Later I'll ask you to call on your camera, show me your paper. Can Leong, can or not? Can Leong You got paper or not? Can Leong? Can on camera show me? Can Leong, on your camera, show me your paper. Okay. A camera or not? I see his hand only. Yeah, okay, thank you. Good. Can Leong, you have your paper. Never show your face. Can Leong? Okay. Now, Mike, you show you got paper can already. Okay, come, let's answer the question. Figure show the parallel ray of light directed towards the mirror. This is convex mirror. Concave mirror, actually, concave. Okay? Yeah. So now you see the two diagram. This one, right, curve less. This one curve more. When you see this one curve more, you see the focal length very short. When this one curve less, right, the focal length is long. Now you see the difference. And now the first question. What is focal length? Can someone answer? Write on the paper. Write on your foolscap paper. What is meant by focal length? Focal length is what? Okay, what is focal length? Focal length is what? What is focal length? Okay, come. Avril Lima, can you come up, please? Avril, what is focal length? Avril Lima, please come out, please. Avril, don't hide yourself. Come out, please. No response. Okay, now my Nidilan, are you there, Nidilan?
Yes, sir.
Nidilan, can you tell me what is the meaning of focal length? Focal length is what? Focal length is a distance, actually refer to distance. It's a distance between way and way. Nidilan, do you know? You look at the diagram.
The distance between the principal focus and optical center.
That one is lens. Now this is mirror. If mirror is a distance between the focal point, actually focal point to this one. What is the name of this point? Focal length is here. It's a distance between the focal point and P. But P is what? We cannot call it P, There's a name one. What is the name of P? Pritibha, are you there? Okay, you'll write the answer. Focal length is a distance between the focal point and the pole, P-O-L-E, the pole of the mirror. P is a pole. So it's a distance between the focal point and the pole of the mirror. That's the answer. Okay, please write down. Tian Liang, okay, Tian Liang, come on.
Is the distance between the focal point and the pole of the mirror.
This is a distance between focal point and the pole. P-O-L-E, pole, pole of the mirror. That's it. Distance between the focal point and the pole of the mirror. Okay? Kylie, got it or not? Kylie?
Yes.
Kylie, can you read out your answer? What answer?
Focal length is the distance between the focal point and the pole of the mirror.
Yes, very good. Okay, very clear, Kylie. Very good. Thank you. Okay, next. Using figure AB, compare the curvature of mirror and their focal length. Curvature. What is the meaning of curvature? Compare the curvature of the focal length. The meaning of curvature is what? Okay, like this lah. Curvature you can say na, curve less, this one curve more. Okay? So you can see now the answer should be when the mirror curve more, or you say like this lah, the more the mirror curve, you write, everybody write the answer. The more the mirror curve, what happened? The more the mirror curve, when the mirror curve more, so what happened? The more the mirror curve. Shani, can you continue? Shani, the more the mirror curve. Shani, can you answer?
A.
The more the mirror curve.
The focal length nearer.
Yeah, correct. But you say like this lah. The more the mirror curve, right? The more the mirror curve, the shorter the focal length. Okay? The shorter the focal length. Okay? So got the answer now? Okay, come, let's hear from. I want to make sure you got right answer. Hui San, Tan Hui San now. Can you read out your answer, Tan Hui San?
The more the
San.
mirror curve, the shorter the
The what?
focal length.
Yes, correct. The more the mirror curve, the shorter the focal length. Okay, correct. Come, we move on. Yeah. The heat lamp has two bulbs, X and Y. X is located at the focal point. Very important now, at the focal point. This one is located at the focal point. But Y above X, Y is not in the focal point. X above the focal point. So what happened then? Okay. Right, so you can brighten longer distance log, right? Reflector here, this reflector. Parabolic shape reflector lah. The reflector function is to reflect the light. Now the bulb is here, got two bulbs here, X, Y. The light hit here get reflected, so it will reflect the light, so you can brighten longer distance log, right? And now you see now, the heat lamp has two bulbs, X and Y. X is located at the focal point, very important now, at the focal point. This one is located at the focal point. But Y above X, Y is not in the focal point. X above the focal point. So what happened then? Okay, come, I show you this one. The question asks, explain what happened to the light from the bulb when only X is switched on. You only on this one. For your knowledge, the car, right? They can on two different lamps, lamp one, you know. If you're driving a car, you understand now. So there are two types of light. One is low light, one is high light, high beam. High beam means that the light go very far one. So this one usually not encourage you to on one, you know. Because when you on the high light, the high beam, the car from opposite coming one I cannot see. So very dangerous. So one is high beam, one is low light. Normally we on the low light only. Low light going now only brighten about 50 meters only. Okay? So there are two. What happened to the light from the bulb when X is switched on? Okay, come, I show you the diagram first. No answer, I show you the diagram. See here now. This one is bulb X, this one is bulb Y. So what happened is here, because bulb X is located at the focal point, so mean the light will be reflected horizontally. reflected horizontally because this one is focal point F. Okay? Light from the focal point will reflect horizontal. Horizontal means that the light can travel long distance, so the car can brighten very far distance, very far. So meaning that this one is high beam, high light. Light can go very far, one very dangerous. But if you are traveling alone in the midnight or early in the morning, no car from opposite side, then you can on this light. It's very clear, very bright. Whereas when you on another bulb Y, right, you cannot on two bulbs at the same time. One, okay, for your knowledge, you can only on one at one time. Understand now? You cannot on X and Y at the same time. One, no car like that one. You can only on X at one time, or you can only on Y at one time. Okay, when you on the Y does not at focal point. If not at the focal point, means that it reflect the light down to the road. Down to the road now. Mean the light is low light, very low one. It can brighten about 50 meters only, not far. Because when Y is not at the focal point, the light will be focused down on the road. So this kind of light will not brighten very far. Okay? So most of the time now the driver use this light only low light. Unless you want to have highlight, then you use this one. Yeah? So now can you take down diagram X and Y, take down these two diagrams, then only you write the answer. Okay, copy the diagram. Like this class, come. You follow what I say to answer the question, okay? You need to do this. You draw this diagram on your footstep, then you answer this one. You draw this diagram, then I give you the answer. Okay, come, you draw diagram X first. X, you draw diagram X now. Okay, draw, everyone draw. On foolscap paper, okay, draw this diagram. Then you answer part 1. Okay, draw this diagram and then answer this one. Come on. Okay, understand now draw this diagram. Draw the bulb X. Draw this diagram. Later on, you see the answer for this one. Okay, draw this diagram on your foolscap paper. Okay, I will ask you to on your camera and then show me your paper. Please draw this diagram on foolscap paper. Okay, come on, draw now. Okay, finish or not? Yu Tong, have you finished? Ngu Yu Tong, have you finished?
Finish.
Yu Tong, can you show me your diagram? You on your camera just a while only, can or not? Yu Tong?
Laptop, right?
I
use laptop.
Laptop can on camera
I don't know.
You don't like you're very shy like you. Okay. Hui San can or not? Hui San, have you done?
I use laptop too.
Use laptop, so you never draw your paper You draw on your paper.
Already.
Then you put your paper in front of the laptop camera that's all can show one
Teacher, I snap for you
No you just take you on your camera, you put your paper in front of the laptop. That's all you can see Try, Hui San. Just on your camera, then you put your paper in front of the camera, can see already. Then very shy like you all. Okay, now mind we move on Move on now, you see the answer, what to write, okay? Under this diagram, you need to write the answer, you know, okay? You see what answer you should write, follow, listen properly, you know. Longer distance. Write the answer now. Later I ask you to read out. Now follow. When bulb X is switched on, okay, ready? Listen the answer, then you write the answer. Okay, now you write like this. When bulb X is switched on, when bulb X is switched on, write the answer now. Later I ask you to read out. When bulb X is switched on, the light reflected by the reflector horizontally. The light reflected by the reflector horizontally, okay? The light reflected by the reflector horizontally. Come on. Light travel longer distance. Light travel longer distance. Therefore, bigger area is brightened. Therefore, bigger area is brightened. That's all. That's answer for part 1. Got the answer or not? Ready now, when I ask you, so you read out your answer. Okay, come. Don't so scared lah, Chao Xiang, Chao Xiang, are you there? Chao Xiang?
Yes, sir.
Chao Xiang, can you read out your answer, Chao Xiang?
When bulb X is switched on, the light reflected by the reflector horizontally. Light travel longer distance. Therefore, bigger area is brightened.
Yes, very good. Thank you very much, Chao Xiang. Yeah. Okay, and now we go to part 2. Part 2, you draw this diagram. Draw this diagram. You draw this, then only we answer part 2. Okay, come, draw this diagram now on the foolscap paper. Yeah, draw the diagram. Draw the diagram, later on only write the answer below your diagram. Okay. Bulb Y does not place at a focal point, not in the focal point. The side reflect the light down on the road, not reflect horizontally. It reflect down on the road. Okay, because bulb at this Y line is not at focal point. Okay. Okay, come on. On the road surface, bulb Y. Okay, finish or not? Finish the diagram. Finish, Francine, have you finished the diagram? Francine?
Yes, sir.
Finish, Okay, come. You finish the diagram. Below the diagram, you write this answer. You answer the second part. Okay, you listen the answer properly. Okay, good. Okay, now you can write your answer. Everyone follow. For part 2, when bulb Y is switched on. When bulb Y is switched on, the light reflected on the root surface. Light reflected on the root surface, not horizontally, is reflected on the root surface by the reflector. Light reflected on the root surface by the reflector. Okay? Light reflected on the root surface by the reflector. Come on. Light travel shorter distance. Light travel shorter distance. And therefore, only short distance is brightened. And therefore, only short distance is brightened. Okay, that's it. Yeah, có the answer now. Okay, let's hear from Kalai. Kalai, are you there, Kalai?
Yes, sir.
Kalai, can you read out your answer, Kalai?
When bulb Y is switched on, light reflected on the road surface by refractor. Light travels shorter distance, therefore only short distance is brightened.
Yes, okay, thank you, Kalai. Thank you very much. Okay, all right. Continue to the next question. Essay question. This one 10 marks question. A lot of marks here. No. And for this question, okay, can you all read the question first? You may no this one C. Now we are talking about C. Sorry, C. Okay. You are given two pieces of plain mirror. No. Okay. Measuring 5 times 6 to make a periscope. Using this mirror and other material, describe how you would make the periscope. Okay, explain why the image observed through the periscope not clear and suggest modification to make it clearer lah. Okay, first of all, draw a big diagram. Okay, periscope diagram. There are two pieces of mirror, right? One you put here. This one piece of mirror here. Another piece is here, the mirror. So two pieces. So using a cardboard, this is a cardboard tube. Use a cardboard to make a tube like this, L-shaped tube. Okay. Then two pieces of this mirror are fixed here. One piece here, another piece is fixed here. Okay. You draw this diagram first. Okay. Draw the diagram. Label. You must label. This is mirror. This is cardboard. You must label. Okay, you draw the diagram first. Okay, draw now, everyone. Draw on your foolscap paper. Okay, the periscope. This one is a mirror periscope.
Shoot.
Kelvin 那么要唱歌是吗 Kelvin?
No, I banged my leg into something, sorry.
You bang on something?
I banged my table.
Okay, never mind. Massage a bit, then okay already. Okay, you must label your diagram, you know. A diagram without label is meaningless in SPM, no meaning one, you know. You have to label it. Label this one cardboard, this one cardboard, this one plain mirror, this one on your diagram, you must label, you know. On here you put object, here you put image, here you put eyes, observer's eye. Eyes I didn't draw it. The eyes is here, observer's eyes is here. And then this one you put cardboard tube. This is the tube made from cardboard. Then here this one is mirror. Okay, mirror plain mirror. Here also another piece of plain mirror. Okay, label, you must label your diagram. Because when you label properly, it helps you a lot, much easier to explain. Okay, so you must label your diagram. Okay, finish. Finish or not? You Tong, finish your diagram, You Tong?
Finish.
Finish, Okay. Then we answer the question now. You all listen to the answer now. Okay, Listen now. What would make the periscope? You just explain how you make it now. So ready or not, everyone? Ready? Kylie, ready or not?
Yes.
Ready? Okay, come. We start answer part one. Part one, we just explain how to make only. So you say like this. The answer very long. You all listen carefully. L-shaped tube. L-shape, we say this one L-shape. L-shaped tube is made from cardboard. L-shaped tube is made from cardboard. Made from cardboard. Must be a tube, you know. Okay. Okay, next you write two plain mirrors are fixed. Two plain mirrors are fixed inside the tube. Two pieces of plain mirrors are fixed inside the tube, inside the cardboard tube, sorry. Two pieces of plain mirrors are fixed inside the cardboard tube as shown in the diagram. Everything you just say as shown in the diagram. That's why the diagram is very important. You need to describe furthermore, you say two pieces of plain mirrors are fixed inside the cardboard tube as shown in the diagram. That's all. Okay? That's all. So this is how you make the periscope mark finish already. Okay? So now we go to part two. Why part two not yet all. Then part one, I think you have to explain how the light moves. Okay? Because part two straight away they ask you why the image is not good. So that means part one, they need to explain how the light go in and then to form the image. Okay, so you write like this. Continue with part one, you know. The periscope is focused. Periscope is focused to a distant object. Periscope is focused to a distant object. Comma. Light from the object Light from the object enter into the periscope. Light from the object enter into the periscope. Light from the object enter into the periscope and is reflected twice. And is reflected twice before and is reflected twice before go into the observer's eyes. Reflected twice before go into the observer's eyes. Okay, last you say like this, huh? Someone asking question, why? Can you repeat one more time? I repeat, okay, So I start from here. Light from the object enter the periscope. Light from the object enter the periscope and is reflected twice. Reflected 2 times. Reflected twice before go into the observer's eyes. Before go into the observer's eyes. Before this sentence. Okay, before is like this, you say, the periscope is focused to a distant object. The periscope is focused to a distant object. Far object, distant object. Yeah, got it or not, Lim? Okay, all right. Now, not finish yet, no. Then last sentence, you should write this, The observer see an image. The observer see an image of the object behind the second mirror. Okay? Observer see the image of the object from behind the second mirror. Behind the second mirror. This one first mirror, this is second mirror. Behind the second mirror. Okay, got it? Okay, come. Now we go to part 2. Part 1, everyone finished already. Now part 2. Explain why the image observed through the periscope using mirror are not clear. This one I told you last time, right? Why is not clear? Okay, the answer is, you write the answer. Listen carefully. Mirror doesn't reflect light perfectly. Mirror doesn't reflect light perfectly. Come on. Lesser light enter the observer's eyes. Lesser light enter the observer's eyes. Therefore, the image is not clear. Therefore, the image is not clear. And one more answer now. One more answer, you write like this lah. Mirror, periscope, mirror periscope produces multiple images. Mirror periscope produces multiple images. Okay, that's all. You know why got multiple images, right? Last lesson, I think I explained to you, right? Okay. Multiple images is because mirror can reflect light from all direction. From here, all direction it can reflect the light. So meaning that there's a lot of image can form here. All the images are overlapping each other because one direction reflect, next direction reflect. So different reflection produce different images. So you have many images formed here. All the images are overlapping each other. So it become multiple image. So it's not clear. Okay, all right, that's it. Got all the answer already? Okay, part 3 now. Suggest modification that can be made to periscope to produce clearer and bigger image. You want clearer and then you want bigger too. Okay, clearer, very simple. Just take out the mirror and replace with what? Kelvin, how to make it clearer? You take out the mirror and replace with what? Kelvin Lim?
Glass prism.
Yes, correct. So first answer you write like this lah. Replace the plane mirror by using glass prism. Replace the mirror by glass prism. G-L-A-S-S, glass, prism. P-R-I-S-M. Okay? You know why, right? But here it just says suggest only, no need to explain now. Why using prism here is better because prism reflect light perfectly. Perfect one. Why perfect? Because total internal reflection. You still remember or not? I think it's still here. I don't know whether it's here or not. Hold on. I try to get the diagram for you. Prism one. Prism not here. No. The previous lesson, not in this lesson, okay? You cannot find the picture here, okay? Don't mind, no? You go and read that the previous, I think, last 2 lessons. Prism, put prism here, right? So the light will reflect. We call it total internal reflection. We enter the glass prism and then never go out. No. The prism will reflect the light internally. So that kind of reflection is called total internal reflection. Total means 100%, perfect reflection. So more light can go into the eyes also, it's brighter, okay? That's all. Okay, next one, suggestion is to make the image bigger, okay? You want bigger image, right? So what you do is, you put lens here, one convex lens here, another convex lens you put here. Put 2 pieces of convex lens. Okay? 2 pieces of convex lens. The lens will help to magnify the image. Okay? You don't need to explain. In fact, this lens can focus more light come in. More light come in, definitely it become brighter, right? So your second suggestion, you say like this, no? Place two convex lenses. Place two convex lenses at the two ends. Two ends are END. Place two pieces of convex lenses at the two ends of the periscope. One end is here, another end is here. Two ends are END, two ends. Place two convex lenses at two ends of the periscope. That's all. You put the lens here, automatically it becomes brighter, it becomes bigger. Because the lens can enlarge the image, you can make the image bigger. Okay, lens. Okay, that's all. So we have finished this one. Any question here? Anyone don't get the answer? So okay, so finally we finished already. Okay, now I give you 2 minutes to rest. You can go toilet. You want to go toilet, you drink water, you can drink now. Okay. Later on, we start revision paper set 1. Okay, set 1 paper now. Please get ready with your set 1 paper. Okay, Yutong, Yutong, are you there? Can you see the screen or not, Yutong?
Can.
Can see. Simeon, can you see? Simeon went to toilet, I think. Hui-san can see or not?
I'm here, sir.
You are here. Why never answer me?
I went to the sink, sir.
Okay, come let's start now, Okay, And when you are at the two ends means one's on the top, the other one at the bottom. Two ends 嘛，两个尾端。Understand 看完 you 镜片装在两个尾端，一个上面的，一个下面的OK， 看完 you。Okay, come. Let's start with question number 1. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Come on, you understand already. Okay, come. Let's start with this question. Everyone follow. Diagram shows a ticker tape. This is a ticker tape obtained by student for moving trolley in experiment using ticker timer. You know ticker timer or not? Ticker timer is a machine. When you on power supply, it will vibrate, vibrate like that one. 1 second, it can vibrate 50 times. So meaning that every second, if you punch on the paper, and make 50 dots. 1 second, 50 times, very fast one. Okay, because it say ticker timer 50 ticks per second. It can make 50 ticks per second. 1 second make 50 ticks. Okay, Okay, there's something I want to explain to you first. When you say 1 like this, so this is called 1 dot. This is dot, okay? 1 dot. This is D-O-T, dot. D-O-T. 1 dot. This is 1 dot. 1 dot, another dot. All these are dot. Then you have something very important one to learn, The space between one dot and the next dot are from here to here. This one is called one tick. Not dot, is one tick. Very hard for me to write one tick. T-I-C-K, one tick. So remember, this is one dot. Here to here is one tick. Another tick is here, no? From here to here is another tick. Another tick. This is called one tick, one tick, one tick. Understand? Okay. One tick is representing the space between the two consecutive dots. Got certain meaning one now. Okay, okay, now you answer the first question. Types of electric current used. We have to use what current here? What current you must use? Okay, you see now, the current must able to make the machine to vibrate. Vibrate like this, 1 second, 50 times. So you must use what current? Wong Jing Yu. What current? Jing Yu use what current? Jiu Ling, what current?
Alternating current.
Yes, alternating current. Thank you, Jing Yu. Correct. Alternating current, AC current. Okay, now alternating current. So we must use alternating current. Okay, alternating current means the current flow in two direction one. Go or to and flow, two direction one. The current like our house current, it come in, go out, two direction one, you know. The one is called alternating current. This kind of current will vibrate. Okay? Yeah. Okay, next question. What is the meaning of one tick? I just say one tick is what? What is the meaning of one tick? How to explain one tick? One tick here is what? How to explain one tick? Chu, Chloe Chu. What is one tick? One tick is what? Chloe Chu.
Wait, I think, wait.
wait, you think. Okay, come, you think now. One tick is what? This question, I tell you, very big probability will come out one. Okay, someone give the answer already. Distance between two.
Teacher.
The distance between the two dots.
No, not this one. Not distance. Okay, Hui San give the correct answer already. Hui San say time interval between two dots. Yes. Okay, come on, remember. One tick doesn't show the distance. It's not a distance, it's a time. Understand? Showing the time. Time between two ticks. Okay? Time interval between two adjacent dots. Yes, correct. Wu Ji Zhong, you are correct. Okay? So remember now, one tick always representing the time from one tick dot to one dot. Okay? The time between two dots. Okay? Now, answer. Time taken between two consecutive dots. That is the meaning. This question can come out one, very common come out one. I tell you what is the meaning of one tick. One tick is means time between two consecutive dots. It means from this dot to this dot, the time taken is one tick. From here to here, what is the time? So it's called one tick. And usually now, one tick equal to how many seconds? Do you remember? Next year, no, January, your final exam, don't forget, no, Form 4, you go back school. First day, you go back school, January, final exam. So you don't think you can enjoy Korean kaki now, no, okay? You have to study, prepare yourself, no. Okay, now, Zhong Chao Yi said it correct already. 0.02 seconds. Please make a note here. One tick is equal to 0.02 seconds. That's some time. Every tick is 0.02 seconds. Here to here, 0.02 seconds. Here to here, 0.02 seconds. Here to here, 0.02 seconds. Remember that. Yeah. Okay, next question. The ticker tip obtained is then cut into 5 strips consisting 3 ticks. Or you cut the ticker tip, you cut it using 3 ticks and all. You count 1, 2, 3 tick, you cut 1, 2, 3 tick, you cut. Then all the 5 strips of ticker tips are then pasted side by side on to form the tip chart. Okay, so you see, so actually, they already count for you now. 1, 2, 3. So everyone here the 3 ticks one, you see. 1, 2, 3, 3 ticks. So you count 1, 2, 3, you cut. 1, 2, 3, cut. 1, 2, 3, you cut. 1, 2, 3, cut. So altogether you have 5 strips. Okay, so 1 strip, second, third, fourth, fifth, you paste on the graph paper to form the tip chart. Okay, so can you draw the tip chart now? You must know the length. You see, first one is 2 cm. The length is 2 cm. The second one, 6 cm. 8 minus 2 is 6, ma. So this one 2 cm. This one 6 cm. The next one is 9 cm. 17 minus 8, so it's 9 cm, and so on. Can you draw the tips on the graph paper? The graph paper, the number given is not correct. The number not correct. Never mind, you just follow the number lah. Don't need to change the number already. Okay, come. I give you 2 minutes to draw the graph. You pencil the plot, plot all these things. Okay, I give you 1 second only. You see, you do like this now. Okay, ready, get ready to see. Something like that. Okay, come. Now you're going to do yourself. Okay, come. 1 minute, finish it up faster. The number on the y-axis, the number is not correct. Now, don't erase. Just follow the number. Even though the number not correct, so just use it. Okay, okay, later on I ask you to on your camera, show me your chart. Okay, show me your chart. Don't be shy, Okay, show me your chart. Okay, Wu Wu Zizhong, have you finished? Wu, finish or not? Wu.
I haven't finished.
Haven't finished. Okay, come. 1 more minute. Okay. Okay, I want to go faster. Okay, now you check the answer. You should get the answer something like this. Okay, come. Like that. First one is 2 cm. The second one 6 cm. 6 is here. The number actually not correct. Never mind, just follow only. First one 2, second one 6. Next one is 9. 9 is here. 9. And the next one is 11. Okay. And the last one is 12. Right? So all together, you put side by side, so it become like that, the chart like that. 2 cm, 6 cm, 9 cm, 11 cm, 12 cm. Okay, got it or not? Done now, everyone? Huisan, finish or not?
Finish.
Done now, finish or not? Simeon, have you finished?
Finish, sir.
Finish, huh? Okay, lah. Come, we move on, huh? Okay, we move on to the next one. This one a bit difficult. Based on the chart, based on this chart, describe the motions of trolley. Motion of trolley means you either say this one is increasing velocity, decreasing velocity, acceleration, increasing acceleration, or decreasing acceleration. So which one is correct? You see, this one increases more, this one increases less, and this one getting lesser. And one more thing you must know, since the chart become longer and longer. If longer means it move faster, higher speed, correct not? Getting faster and faster, that's why you go longer and longer, correct not? Getting faster. So getting faster means you must have acceleration. Getting faster already, increasing velocity, as you may say. Yes, increasing velocity can be accepted lah. Velocity memang increasing mah, but we have a better answer. Increasing velocity can be accepted lah. No, it's nothing wrong. Okay. And next one, decreasing acceleration. Juling better. Juling give this answer. She say decreasing acceleration. This is a perfect answer. Why then? You see now, this one getting longer, getting longer by more. This one getting lesser and lesser. So meaning that there is acceleration, but the acceleration is getting smaller and smaller. That's why we say the answer is decreasing acceleration. This is the best answer lah. Decreasing acceleration. Okay. Or like answer like just now, you may say lah, increasing velocity also can be accepted. Not wrong, it's correct. Okay. Increasing velocity, or you say decreasing acceleration. The acceleration is decreasing because it's getting the increment getting shorter and shorter. Okay, the increment. Okay, so it's decreasing acceleration. Okay, next question. This one, momentum question. Study question, everyone. Diagram show a pistol. This is a pistol. Diagram 2.2 shows a bullet is fired from the pistol. You can see now, the bullet is fired, so the bullet moved to the right, but the pistol moved to the left, moved backward. You know what happened, right? So this is explosion now. Because initially the pistol is nothing happened, but suddenly you fire the bullet, so the bullet goes to the right, the pistol go to the left. This is called explosion. Suddenly explosion. So you have forward momentum here, you have backward momentum here. Understand? Okay, now first question. Shape of the bullet. This bullet must have what shape so that the bullet can fly very fast? What shape is that? You must have a certain shape, then the bullet can go faster. What is the shape? What is the shape? Nitilan? Nitilan, can you please come out? Nitilan? The bullet shape is what? Nitilan?
Yes, sir.
Nitilan, can you answer the first one? What is the shape of the bullet? Must able to make the bullet fly very fast one. So must have what shape? Someone give the answer already. Juling say aerodynamic shape. Yes, correct, Juling. It must have aerodynamic shape. You know, right? Aerodynamic shape, it will make the bullet move very smooth, very fast, no friction, we go very fast. But Beside aerodynamic, right? We have a better answer, you know. So that words start from the letter S. Can anyone tell me what is that? Beside aerodynamic, you can use another term. The term is start with letter S. What is the name? Same meaning like aerodynamic lah. You can make the bullet fly very fast. No air resistance. It can fly very fast. What is the name of the ship? Ati? Ati, are you still here? Ati, Ati? No more here already. Disappeared already, Ati. Huh? Okay, now Lim Jian Chuan. Lim Jian Chuan. Jian Chuan.
Yeah.
Beside aerodynamic, what is the name?
I don't know. I only know aerodynamic. Sorry.
Jiuling says spherical shape. No, not correct. Okay, never mind. I think many of you do know lah. So the answer is streamline. Okay, now see the answer. Okay, write the answer. Streamline shape. Streamline shape is like aerodynamic shape. It's the same streamline. Okay, something like curve shape and curve, so that the wind can move very fast. Streamline shape. Yeah. All right, next one. What is the momentum of the pistol based on diagram 2.1? What is the momentum here? Very simple. What is the momentum here? Okay, you see here in this diagram, the pistol is not moving. The bullet not moving. Okay, if not moving, so then what is the momentum? Object is not moving. What is the momentum? Simeon? Simeon?
Zero.
Yes, what you say, Simeon?
Zero.
Yes, correct. Zero. No momentum is zero. Because to have momentum, momentum formula is mv. You must have velocity. No velocity, this is nothing moving, no moving, no velocity. When no velocity means no momentum. So momentum zero. Yeah? Understand? Everyone understand? Leong Jing Sun, do you understand? Leong Jing Sun. Jing Sun, understand or not?
Understand.
Okay, The next one, they ask you to compare, you see? Compare the direction of momentums of bullet and pistol. Okay, very obvious lah. Compare the direction of momentum. Okay, you see once the bullet is fired, the bullet go to the right, but the pistol go to the left. So the direction you have forward momentum here, you have backward momentum. So compare the direction. So how to answer direction? Compare the direction of the momentum. Kong Fan Xin, Kong Fan Xin, can you compare the direction of the momentum? What answer, Kong Fan Xin? No response. Chao Yi, can you compare the direction of the momentum? Okay, the answer is, okay, come, let's Chao Yi see what Chao Yi say. Opposite direction. Yes, thank you, Chao Yi. Opposite direction. One go to the right, one go to the left, opposite direction. So it's opposite direction. The direction that spelling is wrong. Please write properly. Okay, opposite direction. Yeah, so it's opposite direction. This one forward, this one backward. So the direction is opposite. Okay, next. The magnitude of momentum. The magnitude of momentum of the bullet and the pistol. What is the momentum of the bullet? What is the momentum of the pistol? They ask you to compare, you know. What is the momentum of this bullet? What is the momentum of the pistol when the pistol go backward? Okay, come, let me explain first. You have forward momentum, backward momentum, they must be the same one, you know. The principle of conservation of momentum same. When you have a forward momentum, you must have a equal but opposite backward momentum. Okay? So these two forward, backward momentum must be the same one. So the answer is equal. Okay? Equal. The two momentum must be the same. One go forward, one go backward. Must be same one. Principle of conservation of momentum same, must be the same. Okay? Once you have forward momentum, you must have one equal but opposite direction backward momentum. Okay? Can one you understand? Can one you understand?
Yes,
Can one you understand? Okay, come next. Total momentum after explosion, the answer 0. I give you the answer, but I want you to explain why 0. Why the answer 0? Total momentum of the pistol and the bullet after explosion, why equal to 0? Why? Why the total momentum is 0? Okay, come, I explain. You all listen. Self-discipline very important, you know. From 4, not honeymoon, you know. Now you must study now. You don't study next year January, you come back to school, everything you forgot already, so you get 20 marks. You see that, don't be surprised you get 20 marks only, you know. Don't prepare yourself, the next year January go back to school, exam, and then you finish. Juling said the magnitude equal. Not because of that reason. The one is negative, one is positive. Juling, no, not because of that. Okay, come, let me explain now. Again, okay, come. Now, Chloe Chu answer, say, conservation momentum. Well, many of you give answer. Ko Chen Xuan answer very long, you know. Explosion is an isolated system which does not involve any external force. Therefore, total momentum is conserved. Yes, the key word I only agree, go what you say is, you know, total momentum is conserved. Okay, listen. Come. That one is correct. Okay, listen here now. You look at this system now. Initially, the pistol not moving, bullet not moving, no velocity, no speed. So momentum, we say 0. So when the momentum is 0 now, so the principle of conservation of momentum say momentum must be conserved. Cannot change one. If the momentum here is 0, after you fire the bullet now, the momentum must still remain 0, 1. Must be conserved. Once you started 0, you must remain at 0. Okay? That's why you want to remain 0. So the positive one and the negative must be the same. When you add up positive and negative, you add up, so it becomes 0. That's why the momentum can be conserved. Then when one is positive, one is negative, you add up, so it becomes 0. Okay? That's the reason why must be 0 in our total momentum 0, because the momentum, initial momentum must be conserved, cannot change, because initial 0, after that also must be 0, cannot change that. Total momentum must remain the same. That's the reason why the answer must be the same. Okay, it's because the momentum must be conserved. Okay, okay, I hope you understand what I say now. Okay, we move to next question. This one. Now think carefully. this water rocket. Study the diagram, everyone. This one I will let you write the answer first. Diagram show a boy launching a water rocket bottle using bicycle pump. Okay, come, let me explain how this thing works. You listen. I think three of you chabut already. Just now was here one, now chabut already. Cannot be like that, no. Okay, your self-discipline is very important, class. Okay, how this water rocket function? Okay, the concept is like this. This is a plastic bottle. So you have a little bit of water, you have gas, you have A inside lah. You have water, you have A. So what happens is you are using the bicycle pump to pump more A go inside to compress the A and compress the water. So make the water and the A inside become very high pressure because you compress it using the bicycle pump. Okay? Bicycle pump compress the A go inside, so the A and the A inside now become very high pressure. When the pressure is high enough, right, then suddenly you release the tube. You take out the tube, right? Take out this. Once you take out the water and the high pressure A will shoot out. Then the water plus the high pressure A come out. So you have backward momentum. When something moving come out, you have backward momentum. Okay, backward momentum created. So what happened is, based on principle of conservation of momentum, say that when you have backward momentum, you must have one opposite direction but equal forward momentum. This is backward momentum, come from the water, come out, the A come out, so you have backward momentum. Then at the same time, you must have one equal but opposite direction forward momentum created. This forward momentum is the one who carry the rocket fly very, very far. That is how the rocket been launched, is using momentum. You have backward momentum, then you have forward momentum. You must have this backward momentum very, very strong, very powerful. That's why we pump the A inside to compress the water, make the water very, very high pressure. So when it come out, the momentum is very big. Okay, the momentum very big, then this forward momentum also big lah. So bigger forward momentum will bring the rocket fly very far. Okay, all right. Okay, now write the answer, please. I talk so much already. I see how much you can write. Okay, please, later I call your name, you answer me. Okay, come, start from now. Okay, one more minute, Okay, come. Don't worry about your answer lah. Just share your answer. Yeah. Okay. Siu Mei, are you there? Siu Mei,
Yes.
Siu Mei, can you try to give answer? Try. Can or not? Try lah. Just try. Don't worry, right or wrong. Okay, just try. The what?
Principal conservation.
Okay, never mind, Siu Mei. Okay, I try another student now. Let's hear from Wu Jizhong. Wu Jizhong, Wu Jizhong, can you come up, please?
Teacher.
Wu, you try answer.
This is because when we pump air into the water rocket bottle, the air pressure inside builds up.
Slowly. Wu. Slowly. Too fast.
Okay. The air pressure inside builds up and pushes on the water, making the water to eject out of the bottom of the water rocket. Therefore, the force produced will make the water rocket move forward.
So you never mentioned momentum lah, Wu.
Yeah, I didn't.
You must mention momentum, Momentum is a key word. You have to, actually what you say is a little, it's logic lah, but not totally correct law, because you did not use the terms momentum. You must say backward momentum, then you must have forward momentum. Okay, Okay, now let's hear from another one. I want to hear from maybe some of you got more suggestion. Wang Zijian, right? Wang Zijian.
What?
Can you try to give your answer, Wang Zijian?
Okay.
Come. Try.
When we apply pressure at the bicycle pump, the pressure will
the pressure of the water and the air inside, right? The pressure of the water will become very high, correct not?
Yeah, correct. Then the momentum is equal. Then therefore the water will
fly.
Will explode. Fly. Yeah.
You fly lah, Okay lah. One more lah. Last, I want to hear from a girl. Yu Tong, can you come up, please? Yu Tong, don't be shy. Yu Tong,
Yes, sir.
Yu Tong, can you tell us your answer, Yu Tong? Just try.
High air pressure inside the bottle.
High air pressure. Okay, carry on.
Force the water out of the bottle, produce a backward momentum.
Yes, very good. This part is very good. Okay. Next.
Then the backward momentum will make the water bottle rocket move forward.
Okay lah, correct lah. Yu Tong. 80 marks. Your answer you can get 80 marks. Okay. Thank you very much, Yu Tong. Okay, now you see the answer. Now, 2 sentences only, very short. High pressure air inside the bottle will push the water to produce high downward momentum. This one should be downward momentum lah, terbalik. High pressure air inside the bottle will push the water to produce high downward momentum. This is backward or downward momentum lah. So produce an equal momentums of the bottle rocket, but in opposite direction. So you have downward, then you have upward momentum. Produce one equal but opposite direction momentum. This momentum will carry the rocket to fly. Okay, take down the answer, please. You may understand.
Yes.
Understand, huh? Can one you understand?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, huh? Zizhen, Zhong Zizhen, Lim Yu Xuan, understand or not? Huh?
Understand.
Understand, huh? Lim Yu Xuan and this Zhong Zizhen, two of them. Li Siqi, understand? Li Siqi?
Understand.
Understand, huh? And this boy, I want to ask you, where's Ngô? Ngô Chen Chen, Ngô, do you understand the lesson or not? Ngô?
Yes, I understand.
Can you understand Ngô?
Yes.
Okay, okay, now my slowly you follow, okay, Ngô? Okay, come, next question. Next one is this. This one is chapter 4, heat. Okay, come, let's see the question now. Akram carried out experiment to investigate the change in the temperature. To see the change in the temperature, the temperature got changed how much? For liquid X and Y. So you have two liquid here. This is X. X is here. And Y is here. The two liquids are different, you know. Okay? Different liquid. Maybe this one water, this one oil, we don't know. Not, they are not the same one. Both liquids are heated by identical heater. Identical heater means the heater are the same heater. That means this heater, same one. Okay? Both also 1 kilowatt, 1 kilowatt. It's the same power. Okay? For 5 minutes. So you heat up for 5 minutes. This one heat up 5 minutes. This one heat up 5 minutes. But what happened was like this, you know. Initial temperature of liquid 30 degrees. Okay, all 30 degrees, started with 30 degrees. This one also 30, but end up, you see, after 5 minutes, this one temperature go up higher. You see or not? Higher temperature. It go up higher. Okay. Then this one, the temperature only go up a little bit only. Go up less. This one go up more. Why like that? Why this one temperature go up more, this one go up less? In fact, heater same, power also same. Why this one temperature go up less? This one temperature go up more. And then the water, the mass same, you know, 200 grams. This one also 200 grams. It means same. Everything the same. The only thing is this one temperature go up less, this one go up more. Why? Why like that? This is something to do with what? Okay, this one. This is something to do with specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity. Okay. Yeah. This one specific heat capacity smaller. Smaller means can heat up faster. Heat up very fast because specific heat capacity is smaller. This one specific capacity is bigger. Bigger means more difficult to heat up. That's why it heat up slower. Okay. So remember, no, it's something to do with specific heat capacity. This one small specific capacity, temperature go up very fast, can heat up very fast. This one big specific capacity, so very slow to heat up. Okay, I hope you all understand a little bit already. Those who already forgotten, you all must recall all these things. You know, next January, your final exam, remember. You go for holiday, December, 1 whole month, never study anything, and then gone case. Gone already. Next year, January, sure, gone one. Okay? Yeah? Okay, now, what is meant by specific heat capacity? What is the meaning of that? You learned before, you know, in chapter 4. What is the meaning of specific heat capacity? I remember, you know, I taught this chapter during MCO period. I think we learned during online lesson also that time. Also during MCO lah, also online. I teach online, you know. I don't know how much you can still remember. What is the meaning of specific capacity? Can someone tell me? Try to give answer. What is the meaning of specific heat capacity? Meaning is what? Okay, someone already typed your answer. Okay, let's hear from Chloe Chu. Chloe Chu answer says like this, you know. Amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of substance by 1 degree. Yes, very good. I read again. Amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of substance by 1 degree. Okay, very good answer. The next one is Nitilan. Nitilan give this answer. Amount of heat needed to increase the heat of substance by 1 kg. Half correct. You should say amount of heat needed to increase the temperature of 1 kilogram of substance by 1 degree Celsius. Remember, 1 kilo, 1 degree. You want to heat up 1 kilogram substance by 1 degree. How much heat energy you need? That is called specific heat capacity. So now the answer, there's no answer here. The answer is here. Okay, you copy the answer now. Here, okay. Heat energy required to raise the spelling not correct. To raise, heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of substance by 1 degree Celsius. That's the answer. Okay. Heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of substance by 1 degree Celsius. Okay, Okay. Finish this already, Okay, next question. Come, we go back to the next question. Compare, you see, compare again. Compare mass liquid X and Y. Same law, you already hear 200 gram, 200 grams. So here you put equal or you put same mass, okay? Both also 200, 200, so same, okay? So just say equal or same. Okay, next. Change in temperature. Change in temperature, you also see this one change more, this one change less. So how to put it in one sentence? This one temperature change more, this one change less. So you say change in temperature. Now can one you come back again a while. Change in temperature in diagram 4.1 bigger than 4.2. So you say like that. Okay, now you see the answer. Okay, just now equal. Now X bigger than Y. X is liquid X lah. Liquid X. Change in temperature in liquid X bigger than liquid Y. Change in temperature in liquid X bigger than liquid Y. Don't write X bigger than Y, no. Okay, remember, no, in your exam, you must write in one sentence. Change in temperature in liquid X bigger than liquid Y. Okay, got it? Okay, next. The next one is compare again. Compare amount of heat supplied by the heater to X and Y. Okay? As early in the question, we already said the two heaters are the same. Identify identical heater and the power also same. So meaning that heat supply will be same lah. Both same because heater same, the power supply same. Okay, so the answer is equal. You just write equal. Okay, equal. Next, compare the amount of heat absorbed by the X and Y. Heat absorbed equal or not equal? Heat supply same. What about heat absorbed? Okay, see here. Heat supplied by the heater, supplied by heater, both same because heater same, power also same. Then the heat absorbed by the water here, same or not? Heat absorbed by liquid X, heat absorbed by liquid Y, are they the same or different? 第17 Mr. Chia, what's your answer?
The amount of heat absorbed by liquid Y is greater than the liquid X.
Oh, like that. Y will be more. Okay, now my listen. Let me explain. You all listen. Actually, when the heat supplied by the heater both are the same, so meaning that the question say no heat loss or no heat loss to the surrounding, no heat loss, right? When no heat loss means the heat energy absorbed by liquid X, absorbed by liquid Y must be the same. Same also. Meaning that heat absorbed by X, heat absorbed by Y, same. But this one temperature go up higher is because of the specific heat capacity smaller. Smaller means you can heat up faster. Same heat, but you can go up temperature higher because specific heat capacity is smaller, Okay. All right. So now you see the answer. Equal, all equal. This one equal, and then the last one is specific heat capacity. Because they ask you what is the reason why make the temperature change different. So the reason is because specific heat capacity. Because specific capacity different, okay? That's why the answer different. Not to say answer different, the change in temperature different, okay? The last part of the question. If the heating time increase to 10 minutes, just now 5 minutes, now you change to 10 minutes, you double the time. Is there any change in the physical? Any change in the specific capacity? You change or not? You increase the heating time, will we change the specific capacity? Okay, listen here. The specific capacity for water, for example, 4,200. For aluminium, 900. For iron, 800. So meaning that every single substance will have their own specific heat capacity value own. Okay, and this specific capacity values is same one, is constant one, it won't change one, Like water, water, you want to heat up 1 kilogram of water 1 degree, right? You need 4,200 joule energy because specific capacity for water is 4,200. And it won't change one. The 4,200 remains forever for water. Water is like that. So meaning that no change in physical energy. You won't change one. You increase heat for longer time, the specific capacity remains the same. So the answer same. No changes because value of specific capacity of substance is constant. It's constant. It won't change one. It won't change one. It's the same one. Okay, got the answer, everyone? Okay, for last few minutes, I want you to, everyone, can you on your camera, everybody? On your camera. Something I want to share with you. I want to talk with you all. Come, can let me see your face or not? Come on your camera, please, everyone. Don't be shy. On your camera. On your camera. Simeon, okay. Wu, on your camera, please, everyone. Dylan, okay. Xiu Mei, can you on your camera? On your camera, please. Don't be shy lah. Xiu Mei, okay. Nice to meet you, Simeon. Dylan, Chin, this is Simeon. Chloe, where's your camera?
Teacher can don't on.
On why cannot on? Jing Xuan, on your camera, please. On your camera, please, everyone, okay? Because I find it very hard. No, you are hiding behind. You don't on your camera. I find it very hard to teach. Very hard to teach. Every time I call your name, so you were not there. Hai Ling, okay. You Tong, where's your camera? You Tong. Avril, Avril. Now I see you already. Avril Lim. On camera. Hui San, on your camera. Okay lah. Actually lah, sincerely speaking lah, when I teach online, I prefer you on your camera, Okay? Because if you on your camera, you show your respect to your teacher. Okay? You show your respect to your teacher. Your teacher is teaching you. When your teacher calling your name, you are not answering. So how the teacher feel? How your teacher will feel? You don't hide yourself behind. Okay? Self-discipline is very important. Okay? So I want to give some advice to you all. I hope next time when I call your name, you please answer. Because if you never answer me means I can assume so many things can happen. You were hiding, you do something else, you play your handphone, you not listen to me. Understand? I believe if your parents are standing beside you, you do something not listening to me, your dad, your mom also will scold you. Right? Not? If I'm teaching, then you are playing your handphone. Your laptop is on, but you're playing your handphone, you not listen to me. That's very, very bad, not good, Okay? Okay, so please take my advice positively, okay? So next time when during online lesson, pay attention. I don't mean everyone not paying attention. I believe majority of you here, you are good student. You are paying attention now. Majority of you okay. All right. So for those who are focused, those who are paying attention, so please keep it up. Okay. Continue with your good effort. Maintain your good discipline. Go Chen Xuan. Okay. And when you 现在就要开 camera 咯，是吗？Simeon, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, some of you, I understand your problem. Maybe your internet not stable. I understand Okay. So what I say here was just generally only Generally, my aims I want you all to focus, paying attention to your teacher. Pay attention to your teacher Okay. Can or not, everyone? So I see you again next week So please don't disappointed me when I call your name. You never reply me. Never reply. See, I call so many of you. You never reply one. No. I feel very disappointed actually. Okay. 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 Anyone you want to say anything? Want to ask any question here? Xiu Mei, you got anything to ask or not?
No.
Nitilan, anything to ask? Nitilan.
No, sir.
No. Simon, anything to ask here?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Wu Qizhong, I know you are paying attention. Very good.
No, sir. No, sir.
No question.
Yeah.
Okay. Wu, I know he's paying attention. These are Yu Tong is paying attention, but she's too shy. Never want to show her face, don't want to on the camera. I know Yu Tong is okay one. She's paying attention. Okay. Yeah. Ngo Chen Zhen, can you on your camera, Ngo? Because I never see your face before, Only today you join the lesson. Can you let me see your face, Ngo?
Internet problem.
Internet problem. Never mind, next time you put a piece of picture because I never see your face before, The rest I also I see before one. The rest, only you, Ngo, I never see before one. Okay lah. Okay. So take good care of yourself. Okay. Stay home, stay safe lah. Huh? Remember, no matter what happened, no matter how, spend a little bit time to study. Okay, study is important. You need study, you know. Okay. Yeah. All right. Huisan, anything you want to ask or not? No. No. Okay lah. If now you got nothing else to ask me, you don't want to ask anything, maybe you are too shy, right? Okay, so I see you next week lah. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Okay,
Thank
bye-bye.
you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye-bye.
sir.
Bye-bye.
You, sir.
Bye-bye, sir.
Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye.